Lineated barbet, scientific name Xylopogon lineatus, Bangla নাম Dagi Boshontobodi. The lineated barbet is an Asian barbet native to the Terai, the Brahmaputra basin to Southeast Asia. Luminous green barbet with a strict grey-brown head and a fleshy pink bill. Bare patch of orange skin around the eyes creates a monocled appearance. Not as shy as some other barbets, frequently perching up on exposed branches. Food habits: they eat figs, fruit, berries, nectar, larvae of various insects, termites, frogs, bird eggs, etc. Least concern refers to abundant species widely distributed across countries.